Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make rainbow heart in Heartopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There's new event in Heartopia. It's called the Rainbow Verse event. And you're going to head to the pop-up store to get the recipe. It's right here guys at the central town or central square. And you're going to buy the recipe from here. This is the rainbow heart recipe. You can buy it with your wishing star. And once you buy the recipe, you're going to go back to your home and use your stove to cook the rainbow heart. Alright, now I'm going to use my stove to make the rainbow heart. Wait, let me scroll down. This is the rainbow heart recipe, and you only need blueberries. I'm going to start cooking and hold on. Done guys for the rainbow heart, and I'm going to open it. I've just unlocked the rainbow heart. Okay guys, and that's how you can make rainbow heart in Heartopia rainbow event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.